Dear students, this is module number 9 for the subject of strategic human resource management. In this module, we will talk about 9 dimensions of an effective HR department. As I said in the last module, that Ulrich recent work, perhaps in 2017, they have identified some 9 effective criteria to evaluate whether the HR department is competent or not. We have already discussed 9 competencies. These are the 9 dimensions of an effective HR department. In this module, we will talk about first 3 competencies or first 3 dimensions of an effective HR department. In the next 2 modules, we will talk about the rest of the 6 effective dimensions or dimensions of effective HR department. If you look at this slide, you will find that there are 9 effective dimensions which are mentioned here. We go through one by one and we try to understand what we mean by effective dimensions of an HR department. So first, HR reputation. अगर आप किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम करते हैं या अगर आपने किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जॉब की है, you may have realized that what is the reputation of an HR department in that organization. That makes a difference. And this is what we say, whether the HR department is effective or not. The organization creates a reputation in its marketplace which shapes its identity. Organizational practices results in an identity of an organization. For example, आप लोकल मार्केट में देखें, नेशनल बैंक ऑफ पाकिस्तान, मिजान बैंक, अल्फला बैंक और many organizations. So I'm talking about at this time one industry to make sure that we understand. Every organization has a different identity. For example, National Bank of Pakistan, Bank of Punjab, Alfla, they all have different identities. Why? One reason is, there may be more than one reason, but however, one significant reason is organizational practices that shape organizational identities or an organization identity. This reputation shapes how stakeholders perceived and act or react towards the organization. How do you react towards the organization if you are one of the stakeholder of that organization? For example, आपके बच्चे, आपके बहन भाई किसी यूनिवर्सिटी, किसी स्कूल, किसी कॉलेज में जाते हैं. उस स्कूल, उस यूनिवर्सिटी, उस कॉलेज की एक आइडेंटिटी है. You respond to that organization based on its identity, based on how it is shaped over the period of time. So similarly, the HR department creates a reputation. First effective or first dimension for the effectiveness of an HR department is, what is the reputation of that organization? What is the reputation of HR department? What shapes HR department reputation? We will talk about it in more detail in recent modules. So similarly, an HR department creates a reputation or identity based on number of factors. For example, we will talk about the second one, the HR context, deliverables. What we mean by context, every organization operates in a particular context. Every organization operates in a particular context. The context is comprised of other players in the industry, the customers, employees, products, economy. So this is the context of an organization. Every organization operates within a context. So this definition of success sets the criteria for how the organizations allocates resources and make decisions. So 4 sub-criteria that shape this question is service, how costly is the service HR is providing to the HR people, other employees and the stakeholders. How innovative they are, how creative they are, whether they have created something new, integrate how they are united when they are making, or the whole of sum of the total parts is greater than the individual or not, and how they are influencing. The third of this module is the HR strategy. So effective organizations have a sense of direction. Whether the top management, they follow or they decide the direction, or HR is part of that, this is an important question, and that may make a difference in organizations. So an HR department has a purpose with a mission that answers who they are. If you are working in an organization in the HR department, or somebody working in an organization in the HR department, the question they need to ask themselves, who they are, what they aspire to do, whether they are taking care of employees, or they are taking care of organizational interest, or they have a very good balance between the two, or the mission focuses on results or outcomes, not activities. What is the outcome of HR policies and practices? So these are the 3 dimensions out of 9 recently proposed by Ulrich and their colleagues. Thanks.